Hey everyone, welcome to the Code Wizard. We are excited to share our latest tutorial on Python Challenge. Test your skills with 25 intermediate level quizzes. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you are enjoying the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Let's dive into today's topic and unlock the magic of programming together. Python is a popular and versatile programming language that is widely used for a variety of tasks, including data analysis, machine learning, web development, and more. One of the key concepts in programming is understanding how to work with variables and data types. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of variables and data types in Python, so that you can start writing your own programs with confidence. A variable is a named container that can store a value. In Python, you can create a variable by assigning a value to it. For example, you can create a variable called x and assign it the value of 5 by typing the following: x equals 5. Python supports several different data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, and more. The most basic data types are integers and floating point numbers. Integers are whole numbers, while floating point numbers have a decimal point. For example, x equals 5 and integer y equals 3.1. For a floating point number, strings are used to represent text and are enclosed in quotation marks. For example, name equals John Smith. A string. Python also supports a special data type called a Boolean, which can have one of two values, true or false. This data type is often used in conditions and flow control statements. For example, is active equals true. A Boolean. Another important data type in Python is the list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. The items in a list are enclosed in square brackets and separated by commas. For example, fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. A list. Dictionaries are similar to lists, but they store items as key value pairs. The keys and values are separated by colons and enclosed in curly braces. For example, person equals name, John Smith, age, 30. A dictionary. In addition to these basic data types, Python also supports more advanced data types such as tuples, sets, and more. As you start to learn more about Python, you will encounter these data types and learn how to use them. In conclusion, understanding how to work with variables and data types is an essential part of programming. In Python, you can create variables and assign values to them, and use various data types like integer, float, string, boolean, list, and dictionary. By understanding the basics of variables and data types, you can start to write your own programs and solve real-world problems with Python. Sample quiz. Quiz 1. What is the output of the following code? X equals 5, y equals 3. Print x plus y. Answer. 8. Explanation. In this code, we create two variables x and y, and assign them the values of 5 and 3 respectively. We then add these two variables together and print the result, which is 8. Quiz 2. What is the output of the following code? X equals hello, y equals world. Print x plus y. Answer. Hello world. Explanation. In this code, we create two variables x and y, and assign them the values of hello and world respectively. We then concatenate these two strings together and print the result, which is hello world. Quiz 3. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3, y equals 4, 5, 6. Print x plus y. Answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Explanation. In this code, we create two lists x and y, and assign them the values of 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. We then concatenate these two lists together and print the result, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quiz 4. What is the output of the following code? X equals 5 if x, 0. Print x is positive. Answer. X is positive. Explanation. In this code, we create a variable x and assign it the value of 5. We then use an if statement to check if x is greater than 0. Since x is 5, which is greater than 0, the code inside the if statement runs and prints x is positive. Quiz 5. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. For I in X, print E. Answer. 1, 2, 3. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3. We then use a for loop to iterate through the elements of the list and print each element one by one. Quiz 6. What is the output of the following code? X equals 5, Y equals 6. If X, Y, print X is greater than Y, else print X is not greater than Y. Answer. X is not greater than Y. Explanation. In this code, we create two variables X and Y, and assign them the values of 5 and 6 respectively. We then use an if-else statement to check if X is greater than Y. Since X is 5 and Y is 6, which X is not greater than Y, so the code inside the else statement runs and prints X is not greater than Y. Quiz 7. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. Y equals 2 if Y in X. Answer. None. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3 and a variable Y with the value of 2. We then use the in keyword to check if the value of Y exists in the list X. Since 2 is present in the list, the statement evaluates to true. However, there is no print statement or any other command after if Y in X, so the output is none. Quiz 8. What is the output of the following code? X equals 10, Y equals 20, print X equals Y. Answer. False. Explanation. In this code, we create two variables X and Y and assign them the values of 10 and 20 respectively. We then use the equality operator equals to check if X is equal to Y. Since X is 10 and Y is 20, which are not equal, this statement evaluates to false, and the output is false. Quiz 9. What is the output of the following code? X equals hello, print X3. Answer. Hello. Explanation. In this code, we create a variable X and assign it the value hello. We then use the multiplication operator to repeat the string 3 times. The output is hello. Quiz 10. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. X append 4. Print X. Answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the append method to add 4 in the end of list X. Then we print the list. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Quiz 11. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. X pop. Print X. Answer. 1, 2. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the pop method to remove the last item in the list. Then we print the list. The output is 1, 2. Quiz 12. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. X remove 2. Print X. Answer. 1, 3. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the remove method to remove the item with value 2 from the list. Then we print the list. The output is 1, 3. Quiz 13. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. Print X1. Answer. 2. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the square brackets notation to access the second item index 1 in the list. The output is 2. Quiz 14. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3. X1 equals 4. Print X. Answer. 1, 4, 3. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the square brackets notation to access the second item index 1 in the list and assign it the value of 4. Then, we print the list. The output is 1, 4, 3, which shows that the second element of the list is replaced by 4. Quiz 15. What is the output of the following code? X equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Print X1, 3. Answer. 2, 3. Explanation. In this code, we create a list X containing the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we use the slice notation to access the elements from index 1 to index 2 not inclusive of index 3 in the list. This results in a sublist containing elements 2, 3 and print this sublist. Quiz 16. What is the output of the following code? X equals hello world print x611. Answer. World explanation. In this code, we create a string X containing the values hello world. Then we use the slice notation to access the characters from index 6 to index 10 not inclusive of index 11 in the string. This results in a substring containing characters world and print this substring. Quiz 17. What is the output of the following code? X equals name, John, age, 30, print X name. Answer. John explanation. In this code, we create a dictionary X containing key value pairs name, John, age, 30. Then we use the square brackets notation to access the value associated with the key name in the dictionary. The output is John. Quiz 18. What is the output of the following code? X
Ison name, John, age, 30, X age Ison 25 print X. Answer, name, John, age, 25. Explanation, in this code, we create a dictionary X containing key value pairs, name, John, age, 30. Then we use the square brackets notation to access the value associated with the key age in the dictionary and assign it the value of 25. Then we print the dictionary. The output is name, John, age, 25, which shows that the value of age is replaced by 25. Quiz 19. What is the output of the following code? X Ison name, John, age, 30, X poppage, print X. Answer, name, John, explanation. In this code, we create a dictionary X containing key value pairs, name, John, age, 30. Then we use the pop method to remove the key value pair associated with the key age from the dictionary. Then we print the dictionary. The output is name, John, which shows that the key value pair associated with the key age is removed from the dictionary. Quiz 20. What is the output of the following code? X Ison name, John, age, 30, X update gender, male, print X. Answer, name, John, age, 30, gender, male. Explanation, in this code, we create a dictionary X containing key value pairs, name, John, age, 30. Then we use the update method to add a new key value pair, gender, male, to the dictionary. Then we print the dictionary. The output is name, John, age, 30, gender, male, which shows that the new key value pair is added to the dictionary. Quiz 21. What is the output of the following code? X Ison 1, 2, 3, print X 1. Answer. View explanation. In this code, we create a tuple X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the square brackets notation to access the second item, index 1 in the tuple. The output is view. Quiz 22. What is the output of the following code? X Ison 1, 2, 3, X 1 Ison 4. Answer. Type error explanation. In this code, we create a tuple X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we try to use the square brackets notation to access the second item, index 1 in the tuple and assign it the value of 4. However, tuples are immutable and once created we cannot change the elements of a tuple, so the interpreter throws type error. Quiz 23. What is the output of the following code? X Ison 1, 2, 3, print X. Answer, 1, 2, 3. Explanation, in this code, we create a set X containing the values 1, 2, 3. The output is 1, 2, 3, which shows that sets are unordered and do not contain duplicate elements. Quiz 24. What is the output of the following code? X Ison 1, 2, 3, X add 4, print X. Answer, 1, 2, 3, 4. Explanation, in this code, we create a set X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the add method to add element 4 to the set. Then we print the set. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, which shows that element 4 is added to the set. Quiz 25. What is the output of the following code? X Ison 1, 2, 3, X remove 2, print X. Answer, 1, 3. Explanation, in this code, we create a set X containing the values 1, 2, 3. Then we use the remove method to remove the element with value 2 from the set. Then we print the set. The output is 1, 3, which shows that the element with value 2 is removed from the set. Thanks for watching our tutorial on Python Challenge. Test your skills with Ecosipende intermediate level quizzes. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are also interested in Python Challenge. Test your skills with Ecosipende intermediate level quizzes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips and tricks on Python programming and scientific solutions. Thanks for being a part of the Code Wizard community, and we'll see you in our next video.